Yeah guys, so that's what happened. I was recently in New York and I was invited to attend Amazon Ads Unboxed conference in New York, and I was there for a week I think, and had a blast, had a really great time and learned a lot of new things. So I thought, why not mark this event by making my first vlog and show you guys behind the scenes. So yeah, that's what was up, what was happening, and I made some friends, met some incredible other creators too, and yeah, I wanted to mention in the video before we go to the vlog is that I'm going to be releasing a new seller interview with Mandeep, which is one of my friends I met at the conference, and we will be discussing all things selling on Amazon. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out when the interview comes out. Make sure you hit the notification bell too. Yeah, so I was meant to film this little intro there, but couldn't get around to it, and then I got a cold. But never mind, this happens when you're traveling. You can catch bugs. I'm nearly over it now. But yeah, I learned a lot about the new features that are coming to the Amazon Ad Console, and I've already released a video about that. I will link that in the description below and in the cards above. Make sure you guys go check it out. Anyway, I had an amazing experience. The trainings and presentations were, you know, very informative, and it very much felt like, you know, as if I'm attending a you know, iPhone release event. It had that kind of vibe. And the best thing was I was able to take my family with me because it was half-term holidays in the UK, so we all enjoyed some warm weather. But anyway, enough talk. I want to show you guys what I got up to in New York, so let's go.
Our ability to drive success is so dependent on having a retail writing listing. Millennials and Gen Z, this is all you know. For the fellow Gen X's in the room and the baby boomers, what an incredible privilege to
delicious cup of rich black coffee in the morning. I love the passion this brand has for segmented, and attention spans are decreasing. Think about your day. You might be listening to a podcast first thing in the morning in the gym. TV, you can benefit from Amazon's rich first-party signal.
Hi guys, this is my third day at Amazon Unboxed, and look at just the beautiful setup here, and I've got it all this to myself for now. This is my view, and it's just gorgeous. I can see the Hudson River just on that side, so it is looking amazing. Guys, I'm just heading back to the hotel now, and I'm so happy. I have just submitted my Unboxed conference content, and so I am free to spend the rest of the day in the New York City and enjoy the sights. I mean, this just puts you in a good mood, like this beautiful sun, which we don't get as much at home, but you know, just so pretty here. And just the city vibes, just love it. You guys, this morning these escalators were not working, and just see the scale of this. I had to climb this and I was breathless, and it was just mad. I think this is it. It's goodbye from Unboxed from me.